Hello plant enthusiasts! Today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Monstera Albo, also known as the variegated Monstera, hailing from the lush rainforests of Central and South America. This plant has earned its place in the hearts of plant lovers worldwide. Its unique variegation and striking appearance have led to its popularity as a coveted houseplant. The marbled variegation, featuring stunning shades of white and green, creates an eye-catching pattern that's truly a work of art. These iconic fenestrations or natural leaf holes add to its allure, making it a true conversation starter. This plant flourishes in bright, indirect light, allowing its distinctive variegation to truly shine. Keep its soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and consider a well-draining mix to prevent root rot. With the right conditions, your Monstera Albo will thrive. Enhance the splendor of your indoor garden by introducing Monstera Albo as a star attraction. Its unique foliage creates a stunning focal point, making it an excellent companion to other lush, tropical plants like Calathea and Philodendron. The play of textures and shades will transform your space into a green oasis. Monstera Albo offers more than just its aesthetic appeal. While it's primarily grown for its striking foliage, this plant has also earned its place in popular culture and social media, capturing the attention of plant enthusiasts and collectors alike. Its rare variegation adds a touch of magic to any collection, and there you have it, the captivating world of Monstera Albo, the variegated Monstera. If the variegated Monstera has stolen your heart, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more captivating content on gardening, farming, and the wonders of the natural world.